The one here now is for the mother-in-law and the daughter-in-law them. I don't know why some of these mother-in-law and daughter-in-law can't get along and no need to stop it because it don't look good. Me go start off by saying, in my opinion, me strongly believe is a daughter-in-law to push out the more effort to ensure that she and her mother-in-law have a good relationship. And next thing again, me telling you, so now to follow up the guidelines and to come like no continue say I leave it and I get in these things and I just do something and I sort these things go, and we find yourself in a problem. As a woman going into a relationship with a man, if you see the man obsessed with female and female obsessed with him, you have to know where you do this because this can be very tricky. You understand? You have to ensure so when you're going at the relationship a good behavior you plan to put on and all these things, because if you not do that, the man mother not gonna like you. Remember, you know, she already obsessed. So she look for the simplest thing to have a problem with. And some of us say mother-in-law no like you know from heaven to earth, so you not do right, you not do up deep or something them and you still expect say mother-in-law not like you know. And every mother-in-law go put up with foolishness. So my time you know so not do up deep or something them wrong, and you just need to get to act together if you no serious about a relationship. Some of you keep all man a road pan the woman then son. The woman then know all these things. Then I go like, you know, some of you run up and down all over a man with the woman pick the name. Then I go like, you know, so now if you know say these things, nobody now have to tell you when you not do nothing wrong, you know. Everybody in a relationship know what them are do wrong for right. Nobody now have to tell you know. So if the woman not like you know for this type of situation, then you know say alright, you know forget to know act together and tap blame woman like so well then alright you know have the worst mother-in-law. But some of the mother-in-law now me no know what I'm to know. Some of you is just plain all obsessed. I don't need to stop it. Some of you just text it pan the boy them. So some of you just decide to go heave me with the man woman like you and them a keep. You never hear say the Bible say at one time the man a go have a family. That mean at one time him a go branch off and do his own thing, and you have to just know in yourself say you go hold for him special place in him a go hold for your special place in him heart for you, and him have to have a place in him heart for your woman. No, you have to understand say you and him we can't troops, you and him we can't hug up and do them little something, but when a blue ball segments you know cannot help them. Them have to go need somebody else to suit them in that area, and that can never be uno. So uno can't just want in everything, uno can't make every decision for them, uno can't just not like nobody at all where the boy then keep. They can't keep, you know. That's the bottom line where we are trying to say. So if you know say alright, something alright, you know can go no suggestion, and you can but you know can't make the decision. In the long run, you know say man them a big man and them are gonna make the decision. If you know so obsessed with no kid, you have to go some bumps and try to go breed again in our old days. And see if you know can have a baby, because you have to understand say so my time you have to let go and let God. Like when me hear from one of them parents saying let go and let God, man. You understand? Make him buck up. If you feel like you tell him something, or you feel like the woman are right for him, you have to go just left them, make them buck up. But don't be this type of obsessed mother with the man and the woman them every time when you can't get along. I mean, you know like nobody at all when keep so. You know one or two, you know like none of them when keep so. And next thing again, you have some mother-in-law who love likes too. Some who not take things for all 2, 3, 4 daughter-in-law out there. Who is with the main one, you know. Who know with the main one at the same time, no still undercover and I take things from the other one, them no need to stop it too. You know if you have like a principle about you know, cause if me a daughter-in-law know so now do me the next them, don't know if me go feel like more and do no up too. So now if you know what it is that you know do and stop the foolishness, all the sister-in-law them a quiz you in pandis too. Me get to understand say somehow no take all the girl and things. I don't need to tap it because if all me, I don't take all my things and when me look me so no with next sister-in-law and I would have to take me sit them off and no need to stop it. Some I don't love too much likes too. But bottom line I what me I say is that daughter-in-law, mother-in-law feel live good. As me say daughter-in-law behave on yourself and no decide so no want in a relationship work. Now nobody live the dirty life but treat back on the man and the man woman wanna like you now play innocent. That now go work you now blame the man them wrongfully in that era. But mother anytime I know that the woman them a do and just plain all obsessed. You no need to let it go now, but that can't continue. Let go after the boy pity them and realize that them a big man now, and if you no feel like you definitely have a boy baby like that, you no go and go find somebody if you try breed you and come out of people in life and top make the people in life miserable. Me not all else to tell you no more upon this.